Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Venomary Studios. Today I will be reviewing N.e.s.t Ratchet from the buzzworthy Bumblebee line. Here is the figure. Comes with one accessory, his gun. Um, and luckily for me, I have his box. So here it is. Here's the side of the box, the back of the box, and the other side. Here's the underside of it. I don't think that's important. Here's the front of it. Transformers Generations. Dark of the Moon. Yes, he does come with a backdrop, and I will get it out in a second. Here he is with the backdrop. It's just the Battle of Chicago from Dark of the Moon. Nothing, really interesting, I guess. Yeah. That's the backdrop. Now, let's get on to the figure. Yeah. Ah, crap. Here is Autobot Ratchet. Yeah, he's gray now. I believe this is the Studio Series mold. It's used to read color and or deco, however you want to see it. He has headlights, got a nice paint app. No real issues with him. Here we have uh, please, wait, hold on. Yeah. There is the N.e.s.t logo. It's hard to record with one arm. Ah. Uh, it's got details, trust me. It has like a small Autobot logo with the N.e.s.t symbol. Yeah. Obviously, it won't unblur itself. I don't know. Yeah, here's the bigger. I will show how tall he is next to some others. Here he is next to buzzworthy Bumblebee Silver Streak. About the same size, a little bit taller, I guess. Here he is next to Wars for Cybertron Siege Spoiler Pack Ultra Magnus. Bit shorter. Here he is next to Blaster, a little bit shorter again. I think he's a Voyager class size. Here he is next to Voyager class Thundercracker from the Studio Series line. Yeah, he's not very tall, but not tiny as well. Anyways, now it's on to posability, I guess. Crap. This is gonna be fun to film. His arm can go. You know what? Trust me, his arm can go like this. Bend at the elbow. Bit of rotation can go side to side. 360 degrees if it's flat. Yeah. Be careful around this area, cause like if you bend a little bit too hard, it will pop off. This can move as well, just a little bit hard. I don't. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to happen. Yeah, he can move his arm. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, it's untabbing. Crap. We're gonna pause. Alright, I'm back. Yeah. This is standard move. Alright. Careful around this area when you're moving it because it can untab. See, just. I don't like the sound of that. This, trust me, he's good figure. Um, yeah. Anyways, as I was saying, careful around that area because it will untab. The head, unfortunately, is not on a swivel. I mean, a ball joint, but it can move. Uh, let me just. Can move 360 degrees. Can look left. Sorry if it's sideways. It's can look here, here, and pretty much that's it. As for the leg, can go up that far. Could go back this far due to the backpack, but if you move that and go about that far before hitting the backpack, yeah, can bend at the knee. Feet can move due to transformation. Has a bit of a ankle tilt. Oh yeah, side rotation, I think, or side swivel. I don't know. Yeah, that's not finished here. He can move. He can do the splits. Uh, I will show some poses of him in a few seconds. Yeah. Anyways, now that we're back, I'll be doing the transformation on camera as best as I can. Yeah. Sorry if you cannot see it well, then sorry. You you untab these from the arm. Make sure everything is like not un unstraightened. You gotta make sure it's straight. Anyways, see the wheel? Yeah. You gotta hold it so it doesn't do that. You wanna flip it out. Do it on both sides because you're gonna need it for the vehicle mode. Anyways, now that that is done, grab him by the chest and just untab him. Now what you want to do is just rotate him like that. You also want to turn his head and make sure it's facing the back like this. Now, what you want to do is un, undo the backpack. Just boom, have it like this. Anyways, moving on to the feet. Untab these and have it like this. Now, what you want to do is bend the foot and then turn the feet so it's facing a make sure it's like this. Um, Give me a few seconds to just do yeah. Nice. Yeah, like this. Make sure it's looking like this. Then what you want to do is like have it like that, and do the same on the other side. Bend, rotate. Wait, wrong way. Rotate. Now the legs uh, should look something like this. Make sure they are right next to each other. For you now, we're just gonna move this, and it'll tab into, click into place. So we're just gonna uh, make sure it's like aligned properly, or else it'll, be a little bit. Will not go into place. So yeah, once you hear a click, it's been done. Now you just close those in. I don't know. I don't know if it's just on my copy or everyone else's, but this does not like to have it. And the other side is just fine. This one does not stain into place. Now onto the arms. Have the arms like this. Now you're gonna wanna do this with the arm and just try to get it in. This part is difficult because we have to fold this, well, you have to do this and get it into here, which take your time because this part is a little bit softer and will probably break with brute force, so take your time. Of course I can't because I'm doing a review. Oh, god dang it. You know, I'll just cut when I get the part done. Alright, I'm back. I already did it on this side. Now we're gonna do it on that side. So, make sure it's like this. Trying my trying my best to show it. You just wanna make sure, yeah, like that. Make sure it all tabs into place, and you have you have the vehicle mode. There it is. Ambulance, I think, or Hummer. I don't know the name of the vehicle, but I'm pretty sure it is an ambulance. We have the headlights, lights, lights here, headlights, other light, thing, an extra wheel that does not move, but for you can store the weapon on top. Also, I forgot to mention this, but the weapon fits a little loose inside of Ratchet's arm, so I don't know if that's just mine, but weapon can rotate and store on here. Anyways, my final thoughts on this figure. Overall, pretty good. There's pretty sure it's like the fifth or fourth release of this mold. This is the Studio Series, the 15th anniversary one, premium finish, and now N.e.s.t. Anyways, if you are in a Target, I recommend looking for him and picking him up. He costs around $25, I believe. And while you're still here, why don't you hit a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if YouTube isn't a bitch about it. And if this is Venomari signing off, I will be back soon.